So welcome guys, thanks for being here. Back to the vacations. Back to vacations. Well, yesterday was a beautiful trade, based in a break of a structure, around 200 pips in 15 minutes, something like this. I know this today looks scared, looks difficult. And well, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. We have a nice correction, finally a correction. We have cell zones too. That's great. Having cell zones, it's really nice, really nice opportunities to continue with the structure. Finally, some structures. So well, the bad thing here is our stop loss. Stop loss most of the time what we are going to use is around 40 pips. I would say around 40 pips because nowadays it's around 46, 48 pips sometimes. Well, it's because of the high volatility impacts in one candle, in 1 minute candle. As you can see here, touch the 42.70 and now it's on 42.30. So around 100 pips in less than 2 3 minutes. So well, we need to find a strong point and then try to stay there with that strong point in 1 minute. So well, um, let's expect we have some good reaction in the next 90 minutes. Let's see what happened. I received many messages. A lot of people um, destroy their accounts. Well, I advise into the Telegram like I'm going to be on vacations and please don't take any crazy positions. Sometimes if you don't have the patience for wait me 3 days, that things happens. That things happens. So well, welcome guys. Another Friday. Another Friday. Difficult Friday. Looks like a difficult Friday. Marcelio, my friend, is here. Let me see. That was someone else. Yes, it was me that was working. Just clarifying the positions. Edgar Escobar, final boss. Ski is here. Yes, I'm from Costa Rica, exactly. News from the White House. So let me check the news. Investing, I don't see any news. Let me check. Trust Social. The I have the last information. What I see for Donald Trump is around 10 hours ago. Blue sleep means the Republican presidents. Okay. Thank you for your attention to this matter. They only can appoint if a Democrat, and it's not the nobody. Well, 10 hours ago, um, through social, I don't see any information, okay, about the tariff. 2 hours from says 100%. It's not sustainable. Yes, of course. Um, Basically, he said that just for, again, like, for feel like you have the power, or I don't know, crazy things. But 100% for tariff is impossible for China. But well, it's the way for Donald Trump. Excelente día, mi amigo Gustavo. Igual para usted, Claudia. Buen día, buen día. Okay, Trump is speaking now. Let me see if Trump is speaking now. Yes, Trump is or not. Let me check. No. Mm, Nothing. So well, at this moment, I think we're safe. Like, for Trump or the crazy stuff. 2 minutes. Okay, we got an strong point. I like this reactions here. Let me find the. Okay. So this is the confirmation what we need. Remember, we having um how can I say it? High volatility. That's the way. High volatility at this moment. So, we need to be ready. Uh, so let's wait the retracement, 2 3 candles, and then we can find good position. Shot on the structure. 1 minute. 1 minute. The structure is important. Nope. care about that structure in 1 minute, but I take care about the consolidations in 1 minute. So the little consolidations, two, three candles stay in a line. That's a consolidation. So yes, that's the only reason. So well, nice reaction. Again, we need to weigh the retracement around at least there 42.26. I think and I believe we will see that reaction. So relax, okay. Just be ready. Nice reaction. Around 42.26, 42, 24 could be a good point. If we saw the retracement, if not, we will find another point. Just be ready. I'm seeing the chart in 1 minute just for clarify what is the mean accumulation there. Now the price looks like in a little resistance in 42.37. Not the best point to be honest. Phone bye. Saludos mi amigo. Esos 3 días sí, ayer básicamente fue lo mismo, no pude agarrar el retroceso, pero tomé otro punto en la sesión de Tokio. Y bueno, no tuvo bastante rédito, igual lo mismo, pura paciencia. Just patience. Looks my friend, my vacation was nice, my friend. Thanks for asking. 42.30, yes, 42.30, it's a good point. But at least I really want to wait at least to 42.26. Let's see if we can find there that good position. Remember, in 1 minute, when we're seeing candles for 90, 80 pips. So take care, guys. Use the proper lot size for your account. It's not an easy market. It's so difficult at this moment. So, well, that's it. The price is going back finally. Even if the price go back to 42.70, that would be the best point of entry. But let's see. Let's see. It's your patience. It's your patience. Okay, testing the 42.36. Remember, we need to wait 2, 3 candles in a consolidation. There we got a little consolidation. 42.30. So, well, let's see. Let me clean this. Let's try to find something good. Let's wait the best retracement, what we can find there. I'm seeing a consolidation, but that consolidation, the worst part is a consolidation for 150 pips. So that's not good. So, well, we got a strong point 42.30. Let's see if the price can go back. We got the point of reaction into the 0.5. 5 minutes. We're losing that point. Probably it will complete the target with no retracement, unfortunately. But let's see. Let's wait these 5 minutes. Mhm, mhm. So well, yes, it did give us a chance for, I don't know, like 2 minutes for open the trade. So with not the proper retracement, I was waiting at least the 30 42.28. It may it did a reaction in 42.31. So well, still there, still there. Let me clarify here the positions. Yeah. Going back to our original buy sum, the 42.50. So well, so well, let's see. Now the point of entry will change. Again, it looks so little. So this is the 1 minute. So what happened now? What will happen now? We need to 40. Okay, we need to be very quick. Very quick. So everyone ready. If you feel scared or something, it's totally valid. If you don't want to follow the trade, it's totally valid. It's going to be difficult. Okay. Okay, beautiful. That's great. Let's see if we can find something good. Okay, a little retracement there with a certain accumulation. So testing the point. So well, waiting one, two candles. Okay, this candle and another one probably. Let's see what happened. Remember, we're not into the trade. I'm waiting one candle more at least. Looks like a nice reaction there. Okay, let's expect the next candle for open the trade. Let's expect something good. So around 42.50. That could be a good point. 100 pips in 2 minutes. That's not good. Okay, we got like an strong sun. So around 42.52, that could be a good point too. So let's prepare the entry. Let's be ready. Let's be ready. Okay. I'm into a long position. I'm into a long position now. Into the long position now. Let's see what happened there. We don't have too much, like it's difficult, to clarify the point and everything. Looks like really a strong point. The point now is not the best one. Alignment to the long position. The point of entry. Let's see. 50. Let's see if we can survive for to this or not. 42. 57. At 18. Stop loss 42. 51. At 42. TP1 46. Sorry, 42 6 4 at 50. TP3 42 66. TP3 42 70. TP 42 75 76. Let's see. The accumulation is there, not the best point, but we have. Well, let me work with the PS. But there is the point. So if I want to take the risk, there is the point. 40, 60, 42, 60, 67. TP2. 43. 4270. TP3. And this is for 75. Put the P 4275. 75. Okay. Let's see, we continue with this little accumulation there. Into the price will continue for these next positions. For this account, I just need to the TP1 for pass the challenge. So I'm not going to hold, of course, for the other CPs. Let's see. No reason to hold the thing. Everything is clear there. 4071. So 42. So well, that accumulation looks little, but every candle is around, what, 42 pips. 42 pips. So that's scary, that's scary. One candle, 40 pips is too much. Mm, okay. Let's see. We need the. Ajá, 190. 190. So let's expect this accumulation helps many people here. For open the trade and helps many people into the Telegram to open the trade too. Let's see. Now it's in positive. We need to continue with this in the next 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. So everything can happen now. We can go straight to the full TP or go straight to the stop loss inclusive. Going back so strong. Probably we can hit this stop. Let's see. It's a nice accumulation, but again, movements in 1 minute for 40, 50 pips. That's is too much. And the stop was almost there. The stop is there, guys. Stop hit. The stop is there, guys. Not too much to do. It wasn't a stop. It wasn't a stop. Okay. So let me see. Stop hit. We didn't see a good reaction there. So well. Stop there. Don't hold positions. Probably it wants to go to the retracement. Okay. Here was a long. It's a buy. It was a buy for minus 57. This is the highest stop that I use for a trade here. 57. That's too much. Well, necessary to do this type of trades. 57. 12. 30. Minus 57. 1 1. 156. Okay, what happened now? Probably it will test this the next position. Next position, just let me clarify here. The 30. That's the other option. The 30, the price probably can go there. It depends. It depends for these next minutes. Unfortunately, that consolidation 1 minute was strong. Was not the best one. Well, it continued, like in a consolidation, fighting the price, trying to defend the 42.55, everything, and probably even it can touch, the point 42.30. But well, it depends. It depends for these accumulations. And let's see, we have time for open the recover. We have time to open the recover. Let's see. Let me show you the accumulation what I use for open the trade. That one was the accumulation would be used for open the trade here. But if we check, for example, if we check how much that candles move, it's around 57 pips, 60 pips per candle. So, well, for that reason was difficult. Now the price is trying to resist there and continue there. Let me check the 1 hour candle. Okay. Let me clarify this information. The new candle in 1 hour. Foresee if the point continue here is strong or not. Mm, okay. Mhm, okay. Mhm. Mm. Okay. Okay, now it's time. It's time to wait again. We continue into the 42, 45, and 42.60. So let's wait the retracement. Let's wait the retracement if it happens, or if the price break the little resistance there, 42.60. That could be an option. That could be an option. So waiting again. Full patience. Let's see. Let me clarify this too. The price is still there into 0.5. Mm-hmm. So let's see. Let me check. The minimum there. One candle again for 55 pips in 1 minute. That's the problem, you know. That's the problem with this high volatility. It's massive. It's massive. The volatility is massive, guys. Okay, so 1 hour. Okay, still there. Yes, my buy sum was in 42.54. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now we are here. Looks so quiet. Thing I'm still like the 42, 44. So well, let's see this candle. Let's see this candle for the last 3 minutes and see if they can retest the point or not. Let's see if we can find the recover there, or we will see the 42.15. Remember, here the most important thing is the stop. Respect the information what I provide about the stop loss. So well, 42, 49. mm, like mm, let's see if they can respect the 0.5. That's important in the last 3 minutes. Again, another candle for 70 pips. Okay, back to the to this point, 42, 43. Let's see. Remember, I'm not into the point. This is an idea. So that's perfect. So it's going back. It's going back. Let's see if we can find an accumulation there. Something like this. Around 40, 42, 40. Mm, we have another point into the 42, 30. But well, as you can see, the price break the 0.5. So that means we will back to the original idea. Wait the price around 42.28 because the confirmation here is losing. This is the confirmation for the sun, right? This is the first confirmation for the sun, and this is the second confirmation for the sun. So the first one didn't give us a good successful trade. So probably the price will go back and try to find the first confirmation. This is the first confirmation, and this is the second confirmation. So well, let's see. Let's see. Pure patience, waiting. Still there. I'm waiting. Going back, so that's great. So while arriving into the point, so it's time to clarify the point of entry with the same. We have high volatility. We have high volatility market at this moment. So use the correct lot size for your accounts, guys. Okay. Let me see here. Okay. Let's see if around 40, 40 to 30 could be a good point. We need at least one candle more. This candle and another one. That's in the point. So let's be ready. Looks like a little accumulation there. And again, well, one candle for 50 pips. Okay. 50 pips in 1 minute. Now 60. 65 pips in 1 minute. So, well, we got the little confirmation there. If it continues like this in the next, I don't know, the 30 minutes, probably we can take any position more, you know. I choose the last point because I'm seeing the accumulation was there for more than 5 minutes. But here is testing the point, the 42.30, and then the next candle give us a massive reaction. Difficult Friday. So some people said like they really enjoyed, the high volatility and the massive pips and everything. But I prefer the quiet and slow, quiet and slow. We secure the information and everything. So well, let's see. Last 2 minutes. Probably we can see a retest, Probably we can see a retest. Now it's in a consolidation in the lowest prices around 42 40. And that's the thing what we need. The prices stay there near to the 42 40, and then give us a reaction again. The thing is when it touched the 42.30, it made around 140 pips in less than 15 minutes. Okay. The good thing is this candle is confirming the this point is strong, at least. Okay. Now another hide the candle, and now it's going back to our original point. Mhm. 42, 48. So well, going back to our our original point of entry. Um, okay. Well, if the price break the 4260, we will see another reaction. Unfortunately, well, our point of entry was near to this point. Now we are going back. Okay. Okay, full patience. Testing the little resistance there. Okay, I'm waiting around 42, 45. That could be a good point. Or 42, 39. That is my 2 points. Let's weigh these. Let's weigh the 42, 45. Let's see if the price can go back or not. It depends. Your patience. I'm seeing the same accumulation as we take for the last trade in the same point. 42.56 in 1 minute. But well, the again, I don't like to take these take points. If that point didn't give us good reactions, so so yes, it's better just wait and understand. Probably it's better to wait at lower prices. Primero. 3 minutes. Probably if okay. We need a good reaction here in this 0.5. Last three candles. Important on there. 0.5 is important. Well, yesterday and today I'm trying to apply all my knowledge. They are testing my patience. And I know the 42.56 was a good point. 42.54 was a good point. But well, the reactions for the retest and everything was so deep at this moment as usual. Um, the strategy is like this: no more than 40 pips. I broke this rule for using for trying to survive to the last trade using more than 50 pips. And well, that was the deep was massive. In 1 minute, it made uh around what, like more than 100 pips and everything. So So yes. Going back to the original point, breaking the 0.5. Okay. So well, same point, still like a strong point, 42.56. Here we have two options. The price break the 40.60, then 40.60 is a strong point, or just wait the retracement. Let's see. Let's wait the retracement around 42.45. So well, let's be ready. This is the last trade of the day. If we lose it, we will back Monday for recover. Let's see. I'm waiting. I'm waiting, guys. Okay. Okay, a little consolidation there. So let's prepare the entry. Okay, the price is still there. 42, 47. Looks great. 42, 46. Okay, the entry is there. Let's see the reaction there. Let's see if we can find a good position or not. 42, 47. That's 63. 42. So let's see the price trying to give us stay there. Okay. 251. 42. Remember, we are into the position. If you don't like this volatility, guys, this is what we have. So just take care. 54. 53. 42. 50. And well, the reaction was there. One candle for 40 pips. That's all, guys. Possible to trade with this type of markets. So well, sorry for the position, but well, this moment it's better to stay away. Second trend of the day, it didn't give us the correct reaction there, so unfortunately we hit the stop. One candle for the last candle was for around 55 pips, and the stop is there, guys. Stop hit gold. The stop is there. Not too much to do. Just in the middle of the it break this pressure here into the 0.5, and for that reason going back to the buy some to around 42.54. So well, for that reason we take the position there. And well, the reaction was not the best one. Well, probably the point of entry was not the best one. um yes, that's all. Not too much to do. Unfortunately, the candle reaction that we are looking for was into the 30, 42, 41, something like this. Let's see. Well, the stop is for around 40 pips, 43 pips, trying to survive. So, well, not a good day. Definitely not a good day. Second stop of the day. By minus 43 pips. Mm, minus 43 pips. This one is for. So, well, guys, that's all for today. Difficult day, difficult volatility. It's impossible. It's impossible. We try to two positions. Trying to follow in the steps for my strategy, but my side looks so difficult because of the type of stop what we use. If we continue, for example, if we continue and I choose a point of entry and everything, and if we continue, we will continue seeing these 40 pips in 1 minute stop loss, and that's all. That's no reason to continue like this. Mm, if I most of the time I'm going to use 40 pips as stop loss. So so yes, back next Monday. Next Monday in New York session for the people in Telegram. I will try to recover. Next Tokyo session is Sunday. Sunday Tokyo session. So well, let's see. Thanks for being here, guys. Sorry for the bad day. That's a difficult one. Mm, Probably I should wait. The point near to this point. But well, guys, thanks for understand. Sorry for the bad day. That things happen. Back next Monday, guys. Next Monday. Thanks for being here. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments. Back next week. See you soon. I will try to recover the next week. Um, and well, that things happen. That things happen. See you guys and take care, everyone. Please don't hold positions. Respect always the stop loss. Respect the positions. Respect your accounts, of course. Respect your accounts. See you soon, guys. All the best. Thanks, my friend, for always being there.